This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west to where the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm in apartment 3705, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking out through floor-to-ceiling windows over Grant Park toward the museum campus and Lake Michigan. The building is set at an angle, dramatically expanding the views. Looking out to the southwest at this point. Floor-to-ceiling windows have roller shades, turning into a spacious living, dining, kitchen area here. The width of the space gives you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. 5 ceilings, blonde plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Look at a sleek white and off-white kitchen, granite counters with marble painting, a 5-burner gas range with a range hood, French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door, built-in microwave under the counter, and a built-in dishwasher. A double bowl undermount sink. There's a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Have under cabinet lighting. Lacquer look white upper cabinets and brushed off-white look lowers. All self-close. Terrific amount of light flooding into this room. And with the angle, it'll do that pretty much throughout the day. Turning into the primary/master bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows again, looking out to the southeast. Enough space to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. Walk-in closet with custom organizers. And a bath with a double bowl vanity. Bank of drawers for storage. Quartz counters. Triple mirrored medicine cabinet, and a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Again, the roller shades are on all the windows. They're Ecobee thermostats, programmable. Great separation of the bedrooms. They're on opposite sides of the apartment, widely separated. Turning for a look at the entryway. Coat closet, turning back into the kitchen, behind the louver doors, you have your in-unit washer dryer. Heading toward the guest bath, nice size vanity, a wide walk-in shower, has again a frameless glass door, and a body spray attachment. Triple mirrored medicine cabinet again above the vanity. Bedroom 2, good size for a second bedroom. It's wide and deep enough to accommodate your bedding, nightstands, and additional furniture. All of the closets have custom organizers. 1001 South State has a very convenient location, variety of apartments with upscale finishes, an excellent suite of amenities, and it definitely warrants a spot on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.